You know what? Hindi man totoo itong si Mr. Kamatayan, pero ito yung totoo. Lahat tayo ay mamamatay. Hindi lang natin alam kung kailan. Hindi natin masisigurado kung bukas buhay pa ba tayo. And the question is, if we are going to die, saan tayo mapupunta? Is it heaven or hell? If God is going to judge us according to our works, we are not good enough. In Romans 3, the Bible says that we have fallen short sa glory ng ating Panginoon. Lahat tayo nagkasala. And if God is going to judge us according to our works, walang makakapasa. That's why He sent His one and only Son to pay the penalty sa nagawa nating kasalanan and to live a perfect life na hindi natin nagawa. That's why this is the perfect time to put your trust in Jesus alone for your salvation, not in your good works, not in your religion. God bless.